Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to CRS WAEC past question year 2018. Question number 7, which says, "Behold, they will not believe me or listen to my voice, for they will say, the Lord did not appear to me." Who made this remark? Option A, Aaron. B, Moses. C, Joseph. D, Jacob. The correct option here is option B. So Moses made this expression or this remark in the book of Exo, Exodus, Exodus, Exodus 3, Exodus 3 verse 13. That is when he ran away to Midian, where fire was burning, and the burning the grasses, and the grasses were not consumed. That is the point when God appeared to him and asked him to go and free the Israelites and then return back to Egypt and face Pharaoh. So thank you and God bless you.